Having a credit card can be a valuable tool for building financial security. It allows you to make purchases, pay bills, establish a credit history, and potentially earn rewards. But if you're new to credit or have a low credit score, qualifying for a traditional credit card can be challenging, but not impossible. Alberto Pereira de Souza Jr. says there are other credit card options that you can explore to help you get started. Founder of VEMCARD Card Company, Alberto Pereira de Souza Jr. provides various ways to build your credit responsibly. Having no or low credit history. Here are some options you can explore. Secured credit cards. These cards require a refundable security deposit, typically equal to your credit limit. By using the card responsibly and making your payments on time, you can build a positive credit history. Many secured cards eventually convert to unsecured cards with good credit management. Become an authorized user. If you have a friend or family member with good credit, they can add you as an authorized user to their account. Their positive credit history can help improve yours, but make sure you trust them to manage the card responsibly, as their actions will affect your credit score. Consider credit builder loans. These are small loans where you make fixed monthly payments. The lender typically holds the loan amount in a separate account and returns it to you once the loan is paid in full. On-time payments are reported to credit bureaus, helping to build your credit score. Pre-qualify for cards. Many issuers offer pre-qualification tools that allow you to see which cards you might be approved for without impacting your credit score. This can help you narrow down your options and choose a card you're more likely to get. What are the requirements for getting credit card approved? The requirements for getting a credit card can vary depending on the issuer and the specific card, but there are some things that are generally considered. Age. You must be at least 18 years old, in some cases 21, to apply for your own credit card in most countries. Income. Credit card issuers want to see that you have a stable income and can afford to make your monthly payments. Your income and debt-to-income ratio, DTI, will tell them whether you are fit to make repayment. Credit history. A good credit score is typically preferred for traditional credit cards. However, other options for those with no or low credit history will be analyzed. Documents. When applying, you'll likely need to provide documents like your social security number, proof of income, and proof of address. What are other options for securing credit cards with no or low credit score? While getting credit card as a newcomer or someone with low credit score might be daunting, it can be easy if you are a student. There are some card options that are generally available and easier for students, especially if they are just getting started with credit cards or you have low credit card history. Amazingly, some of them do give out rewards to meet daily essentials such as purchase of gas or groceries shopping. Cards designed for students, sometimes with relaxed credit score requirements compared to traditional cards. Examples include Discover It Student Cashback. May not require a credit score. Capital One Quicksilver Student Cash Rewards Credit Card. Co-signer. You can also get a credit card easily if you have a friend or family member with good credit, who can co-sign for your application. This will increase your approval chances. However, use this responsibly as their credit score is also affected. You have no credit history. Alberto Pereira de Souza Jr. says there are options available for you if you are new to the world of credit cards. There are starter credit cards. As the name suggests, these credit cards are specifically meant for those who are just starting out with credit cards to build credit. These types of cards most times have a higher annual percentage rate. April. Secured credit cards. Secured cards function like regular credit cards, allowing you to build a positive credit history by making on-time payments and managing your credit responsibly. Not only that, it requires a security deposit, typically refundable when you close the account in good standing. The deposit amount becomes your credit limit. There are Discover It Secured Credit Card and Capital One Quicksilver Secured MasterCard you can start with as you upgrade to an unsecured card after responsible use. Unsecured credit cards. These unsecured cards don't require a security deposit but may have higher interest rates or annual fees. They are ideal for those who want to start building credit without a deposit. Examples include Credit One Bank Platinum Visa that offers cash back rewards but has an annual fee. Total Visa Credit Card, which is designed for people with limited credit history and has an initial program fee but no annual fee. General tips for getting approved. Pre-qualify. Before applying, many issuers offer pre-qualification tools that allow you to see which cards you're likely to be approved for without impacting your credit score. Meet income requirements. Credit card issuers consider your income to ensure you can afford repayments. Consider a co-signer. If you have a friend or family member with good credit, they can co-sign for your application, increasing your approval chances. Build a credit history through alternative means. Consider becoming an authorized user on someone else's credit card or applying for a credit builder loan. These options provided by Alberto Pereira de Souza Jr. will easily allow you to secure a credit card even with no or low credit score.